Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy diamonds on Real Boxing 2. So let's get started. First, open the Real Boxing 2 game. Tap on the shop option from the bottom of your screen. Now, go to the diamonds section. Here you can see all the diamonds packs available for purchase. Tap on the pack and amount of diamonds you want to buy. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment process. This may involve confirming your purchase and entering your payment details. Once the payment is completed, the amount of coins you purchased will be added to your game. And this is how you can buy diamonds on Real Boxing 2. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.